Good morning, guys, and welcome back. I just wanted to introduce myself to you for a few minutes. My name is Stephanie Dunbar, and this is Behind the Teacher. So the basics, my birthday is in October on the 21st. I am not 32, I am 33 now because this was last year when I made this. My hometown is Alvin. I grew up here, went to school all the way through Alvin, graduated from University of Houston, and got my master's at St. Thomas. Let me see, a couple of my favorite things. I love summer because I like to be in tank tops and shorts and flip-flops. My favorite month is June because that's when I got married. My favorite color is red because that's the color of my favorite roses. My favorite number is 3. Why? I don't know why. My favorite letter is S because, duh, my first name is Stephanie. My favorite movie is Grease. My favorite show to watch almost every single night is The Big Bang Theory. One of my favorite songs is A Good Night for Dancing. It's the song that my husband and I danced to at our wedding. I love to watch gymnastics on TV and to watch my amazing 5-year-old do her thing at gymnastics. And we like football and baseball. I love all things Houston sports. My favorite food and the way to my heart is chips and queso. I love some sweet tea and Diet Coke. My favorite Starbucks drink is a mocha frappuccino, or as my 5-year-old would say, a mochaccino mocha drizzle. And my favorite things to do when I'm not at work or chasing my kids around is to do fishing, water sports, shopping, workout, and take a nap here and there. This is my husband. His name is Clint. He works in the energy industry and is based out of downtown Houston. These are my beautiful little children. One is 5. The other one is on the verge of 2. And they are Kendall and Justin. So that's it. That's the person behind the teacher in a little bit of a nutshell. So I can't wait to hear about you guys.